If you don't want to spend any money generating AI images, then this video was meant for you. I'll be sharing with you a tool that you can use to generate as many images as you want without limitation. To do this, start by going to piclumen.com and it will bring you to this page here. To register for a free account, all you have to do is click on Launch App and it should bring you to this page here. If you come to this section, which is the Explore section, this is where you'll find images that were generated by other creators. And this is good if you're looking for some inspiration. This is just amazing. If you click on that and let's say you want to copy this prompt, all you have to do is come here, copy it, and you also have the seed number here that you can copy to. All right, if you click on create, this is where you'll find all the images that you've generated so far, and as you can see from this, I've been having a field day with it. All right, if you come here and click on the button, you'll see this drop down menu, and from here you can choose what model that you want to generate your images on. You've got the Piclumen Realistic, Piclumen Anime, and Piclumen Line Art, which is amazing. But for this particular video, I want to use the Flux Chanel, which is one of the models that everyone's been talking about. And if you click here, you have a variety of different aspect ratios that you can choose for to generate your images on. But as for me, I'll choose the 16:9. And on this section here, you can choose how many images you want to generate. So you can do 1, 2, 3, I'll choose 4. On this section here, this is where you can enter your prompt. So I'll just paste my prompt there. In this section, if a prompt is written in a different language that's not English, if you click that, it will translate. And in this section, if you want to enhance your prompt, you just click that and it will expand your prompt for improved image quality. But sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Well, that's according to me. All right, so I'll just first generate this image without enhancing anything, and I'll click on generate. And if you check there, you'll see we got our 4 images generating. And there you go, the images are ready. As you can see, that's quite nice. It's as described, a 3D animation, cartoon chef juggling food in a whimsical kitchen, bright colors. I like that. All right, so that's what we've got. And I think I prefer this one. So what we do, if I got an image like this and maybe I didn't like it, I'll get the prompt enhanced and generate the images again. So I'll do, let's do 2, and I'll click on generate. And there you go, these are the new images with the prompt enhanced. And if you ask me, I actually prefer this one. All right, this time let's try something different. So I'll paste in the prompt: photorealistic portrait of a man in a vintage suit sitting in a leather armchair, warm lighting, soft shadows, 35mm lens, hyper realistic. And I'll just click on generate. We should be getting 2 images. And there you go, we've got our nice photorealistic images. And I quite like this one. Let's say you've got an image and you don't like it, you can click on remix, change a few stuff if you want, or just run the prompt again. But for me, I'm happy with that just for the benefit of this video. All right, so let's try another style that's something completely different. All right, so I'll just paste the prompt there and I'll just click on generate. All right, that's not a bad image, but I think it can be a bit better. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna paste the same prompt here, click on prompt enhance. It's rewritten the prompt again, so I'm just gonna click on generate and we'll just wait and see what happens. And there we go, we've got the images, and I prefer this one, but both images are good. The one without the enhancement, it looks much more clearer. This one is a bit more misty. And again, this is why I like this tool so much, because if something doesn't work for me, I can try something else until I find something that works for me. It's free to use, can generate as many images. I'm not getting paid to do this video. It's just something that I think it's amazing and it'll be good for people. And one thing I'm curious about, this image here was generated using the same prompt that generated these 2 images, but this one was generated on MidJourney. What I would like to know is what you think. Which one of the 2 do you actually prefer? Do you prefer the ones that were generated through MidJourney, or do you actually prefer this one? I'm so curious to hear that, because for some reason I actually prefer this one. And this one is anime style of a young girl in fantasy forest, glowing fireflies surrounding her, large eyes, vibrant colors, detailed background, and magical atmosphere. And I'll just click on generate. And there you go, we've got our new images with the anime prompt, and not bad. But I want to try again this one, but I want to enhance the prompt. All right, it's giving us a prompt. It's quite long, but I'll click on generate. So there you go, we got the new images, and this time they look completely different, and I like this one's better. Anyway, it's for free. You can try whatever you want, whatever works for you. I'll show you something cool here. If I click on pick Lumen line art and I come here and I enter the prompt again and I just click generate, it will give us a whole different style of images to generate. And just like that, there we go, we've got the same prompt with the same style of image, which is animal, but then this time is in line art. So this is a cool tool. You can try different stuff, you got different models to play around with, and everything above everything, it's free of charge. You can try as much. This is not promotion, this is just something that I feel like if you like to generate AI images, you would love. All right, so that's that for me. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to follow for more videos like this. Until next time, my name is Abigail. I'll see you then. Bye bye.